Okay, I think it is fairly safe to say that nobody really likes medicine. However, prescription drugs are often necessary to help ease the symptoms and sometimes keep you alive. What we take is also a very personal matter.
Yeah, it's important to have a comfortable relationship with your pharmacist, and no one knows that more than the folks at Coastal Drug in Ocean Pines. And as I recently found out during a visit, they go to great lengths to make sure they know each and every customer, and they treat them like family.
Artie and Ray Patel are partners in life and in business. Artie is a pharmacist, Ray a businessman.
My husband was set on purchasing a business. So he started looking around, seeing what would be the right fit, and then he saw Coastal Drug up for sale.
They bought the business and made a move to the Eastern Shore.
It was a win-win, I guess, on both ends, where I could do what I love, which is being a pharmacist, helping others, and he could do what he loves, which is owning a business.
Artie had worked for a drugstore chain previously and was ready to get to know her patients in a smaller setting, not spending her time in the daily grind that came with a large franchise.
I just felt like I was not able to do what I wanted to do, I guess, as a pharmacist, which is A, thoroughly checking the prescription, B, being able to answer questions and having the time to do so without having to feel like someone's always breathing down my neck that I need to get all these other things done.
Artie says she feels better being able to put a face to patients' names and being the friendly face her patients can count on seeing every time they need help with their prescriptions.
Because we really do thrive on being able to know each and every customer that comes in. It's important for us to get to know them, to know their family and just everything, like, you know, where they're going on vacation this summer. We find that we're able to do that more with us owning our own business. Like, we can be more personable.
Artie says a common misperception about a small neighborhood pharmacy is that there is a limit on what they stock and the number of insurances they accept. Truth is, she says, it's quite the opposite.
We're contracted with pretty much every insurance. So copays are very similar to if you go to a chain pharmacy. There are some contracts, I guess, or insurance companies where they might have a preferred pharmacy, and we're always willing to work with those patients. We'll look at their medication list. We'll see if our prices, even cash prices, can be comparable to their copays, which a lot of times, if they're on generics, we can match those even copay prices that they're paying at a big chain. So we do work with everyone individually, case by case, and they come to us because they love our service.
Artie adds, not having the corporate overhead also makes it easier to offer better price points.
We try our best to be competitive with discount prices. Sometimes we use multiple wholesalers, so that way we can literally negotiate our prices down a little bit with them, and also therefore give the best prices possible to our customers.
Coastal Drug also works to make sure customers are taking their prescriptions as directed by offering compliance packaging.
So I go over their med list, and then depending on how many times they take it, we have different styles of packaging. But the purpose behind this is to help them become more compliant so they're not missing pills. So if they've got like 5 morning pills, or some cases we have patients that have 10 or 15 morning pills and they're not sure if they remember taking one or not. Here we'll put them all in a bubble for them, and all they have to do is push that bubble out, and that way they're getting all their pills all at one time.
Coastal Drug also carries home health medical supplies.
And we do help with the training if they have any questions off the equipment itself.
Just like the promise Artie and Ray made to each other at the beginning of their life partnership, they are passionate about keeping their promise to the customers they serve. A promise that they will always be a big part of this small family.
Now, in addition to selling medical supplies, Coastal Drug also rents some items such as e-scooters and wheelchairs.
Wow.
And they're just good people.
All the way around, and good people, and good people.